Oh, hell yeah, it's the Funko Soda Stone Cold Steve Austin Funko figure right here. I am gonna see if I got the chase. I've never actually had a soda, Funko Soda figure before, so I don't even know how to open one of these things. Let's see. They don't make it easy, that's for sure. What the hell, Funko? Let's see. Am I an idiot? Do I not know how to open one of these things? Let's see. I'm sure somebody is getting infuriated watching me do this. Oh, there's the top, because I'm an idiot. Why didn't I think of that? Why is it so hard for me? I got no nails, that's why. There we go. All right. Well, no chase, but still pretty cool to get. Let's see. There he is in all his glory. So I hope they don't make more of these because I don't need to spend more money on this, but it's still pretty cool.